just throw mothballs into the coffee powder and you won't believe it. Today I'm going to show you a tip that I've been doing at home a lot and it's worked very well. So before I teach you, tell me the city where you are watching this video. To start, I put here 3 mothballs on the paper towel. Now I'm going to grind the mothballs with the help of a kitchen hammer. After the mothballs are ground, let's transfer them into a container. Set aside a container that you will only use for household tips. Now, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of coffee. Mix these 2 ingredients well. I'm sure this tip will be very useful for you. Once you are done mixing, you will put the mixture into a glass jar. I'm going to use this small one, but it can be a jar of your choice. You know that candle wick? You will put the candle wick inside the coffee powder in the middle. I used a knife to make a little hole. Then you cut the wick to the size of your pot and place it in the middle. Then adjust the coffee well. Next we will put cloves in. Cloves are perfect for this kind of tip. You will put in as much as you want. Now just set it on fire and it's ready. Do you have flies, mosquitoes, and mosquitoes in your house? Then do this dip at home. This mixture will scare away these insects that are always tormenting you. As you can see, it has turned into an ember, and it is this smoke that will do all the work of scaring away the insects. Today's reflection is found in Mark chapter 11 verse 24. Therefore I say, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will come to pass. This verse makes us reflect that God dwells in all of us, and as the first commandment tells us, He is the one we are to love above all things. In this sense, when we look to the present and the future, we need, first of all, to surrender our life to the Father and have the confidence that He is on our side. God knows our weaknesses, our fears and needs, and will always guide us on the best paths. See you in the next video. Bye bye.